Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enroll in a free course in Coursera. So if you're looking for courses that you want to enroll into guys, then you can simply come here and find courses. I'm going to use a free course as an example, so let me scroll down and find something that is actually free that I can go ahead and enroll into. There's a section called free, so you want to scroll and look for that section. Here is an example, right? You can get started with these free courses, right? So let's say I want to enroll in this Excel course here, so I can simply go ahead and click on this course, and once you're on the course homepage, you'll have the option that says enroll for free. So simple click on that and you'll have the option to say, okay, do you want to purchase the course for X amount? Or if you want to just have the full course but no certification, right? So let's go ahead and choose this option. So I'm going to click on continue, and you will see that it says that welcome to the course. You can now access the course material, and just simple click on start learning, right? So once you do that, you'll be taken over to this section here where you'll be able to start with those modules and so forth. You have the commitment. You can simply go ahead and click on this check mark here and says that I commit, and just simply click on start the course, and you will see that it takes you over to this space here where you can start going through those modules, and you have those modules here on the left hand side where you can start going through those different topics. And yeah, once you go through that, you will be able to mark it as complete. So this is basically it, guys. That's how you enroll in a course. Now you can always go back to your home dashboard. So if, for example, you go back to home, you can easily go ahead and find your course afterwards. So you can just find those under my learning, and you'll be able to find those courses that you enroll into. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.